Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your GoPro as a webcam. So if you have any GoPro lying around, it's a good purpose to use it for. So let's begin the video. Here are the things required in order to use your GoPro as a webcam. First of all, you're going to need a USB Type-C to Type-A cable if you're connecting with your Windows PC, or a Type-C to Type-C cable if you're connecting it with Mac. I recommend that you get a cable which is long enough because you're going to use your GoPro as a webcam, and a long cable is much better rather than having a short cable. The second thing is your GoPro. I have the GoPro Hero 10. As far as I am concerned, this process will work for the Hero 8 and onwards. I am not sure about the Hero 7 and the previous generations of the Hero cameras. Last thing is that you're going to need some kind of stand in order to hold your Hero camera. So here I have a selfie stick which has this little quarter-inch hole in it, so I can mount it to my stand. From here all we need to do is to connect the Type-C cable to our GoPro by opening the side lid of the camera. Here you're going to see a Type-C port, so you're going to connect the Type-C port to this port right here, and now you can connect your GoPro to a stand, and the other end will be connected to our PC. We're going to install our software, and after that we're going to power on the GoPro. Do not unplug your battery or SD card. So let's move towards our PC. So I have connected my GoPro, as you can see, with my Windows PC using the Type-C cable. Now here on your Windows PC, you're going to open any of your browser. The first thing that I want to tell you that you're not going to find the webcam software or utility on the GoPro's website, although GoPro provides it officially, but you cannot find it on their website, which is quite weird. GoPro should include it in their official website. The other way you can get this is by just searching GoPro webcam software download, and the first site will be from community.gopro.com. you're going to open this link, and here it will have the download link, but you guys don't have to worry. I will put the download link directly in the video description just below the like button. So you're going to have instructions for Mac. We are using Windows, so we're going to go to this part. Here you can see we're going to press on download and get started. The first step is to make sure that your GoPro is updated to the latest firmware. If you don't know how you can update your GoPro, I have already made a video on that. A box will appear here or here. Make sure that you check out that video first. Other than that, we're going to go down where it says download GoPro webcam desktop utility. We're going to press on this button, and we're going to download the GoPro webcam utility. Here it says no preview available, but you can see we got a file GoPro webcam release on 30/9/2022. We're going to press on this download button, and we're going to download this software. So you can see the software size is only 8.8 MB, so it's going to download pretty quickly. Here is the downloaded software GoPro webcam. Right click on it and press on install. Welcome to the GoPro webcam setup wizard. We're going to press on next. Agree to the terms and conditions. After reading them, press on next, press on install. So now the utility is going to install on our PC. Would you like to install the device name GoPro network adapters? We're going to press on install so that it can detect our GoPro and use it as a webcam. Would you like to install this software net adapter? We're going to press on install. We're going to press on finish. You must restart the system for the configuration changes made to GoPro webcam to take effect. So what we're going to do is that we're going to restart our PC. So let me restart mine now. So I have restarted my PC. The first thing that I'm going to do is unplug my GoPro. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to power on my GoPro. Once my GoPro is powered on, I'm going to connect it using the Type-C cable to my laptop. And here you can see my laptop has detected my GoPro. After that, you're going to see a little camera icon on the lower right side of your taskbar right here. If you're not seeing it, you're going to press on this arrow, and here you're going to see the GoPro webcam icon. You can see it has a blue dot on it. The blue dot means that our camera has successfully connected to our PC and we can use it as a webcam. If there is no blue dot, make sure the camera is on and you have connected everything correctly. If I press on this camera, I can just press on preview to get a live preview of what the GoPro is showing, as you can see right here. If I again go and press on this icon, I can go to lens mode and I can go to narrow if I want to have a narrow view, or a super wide view if there are a lot of people. And when you're going to use your GoPro as a webcam, you're going to get a little preview on the front screen of your GoPro as well if you have a Hero 9, 10 or 11. So that's really cool because you can get an idea on the front screen. Now let's check out this GoPro webcam on any of our online meeting software like Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, Zoom meeting, etc. It's going to work with most of the online meeting softwares. So I'm going to be using Microsoft Teams for now. It's going to work same for other. So let me just make a little call. I'm going to enable camera, and from here, if you're not going to get the GoPro preview, make sure that you press on the settings depending on your software you're using, and you're going to have most probably this camera button. Press on it and select GoPro webcam. Other than that, if you want to mirror your video, you can do so. If you don't want to mirror your video, you can do it as well. And now if you just close these settings and press on join now, you're going to see that you're going to have a preview using your GoPro as a webcam. So here you're going to have a preview of your GoPro, and the video that you're seeing is directly from the GoPro where it is being used as a webcam. It is a good alternative if you have a GoPro lying around. So guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.